Hi everyone, I used Google Trends to compare the search trends for Lil Wayne, Eminem, Drake, and of course the incredible Chris Brown. And I found that of the four legendary rappers, Eminem sustained the highest levels of search popularity over his lifetime, going back to 2005, the beginning of Google Trends, and kind of lessened a bit, but then he again has risen to his rightful place as one of the more amazing characters that people search for. But he has been paced by when he first started, it was just Eminem. Drake was a little bit heard of. No one had ever heard of Lil Wayne. Chris Brown had a bit of a blip. Then, of course, 2007-8 saw the rise of Lil Wayne. Sadly, Chris Brown's giant spike there, that 2009 one, is because of his horrible beating of Rihanna. But all of these, what we see is that Eminem and Drake have higher search results in the end than Lil Wayne and Chris Brown. Now, you might say, hey, it's because Chris Brown and Lil Wayne are black, and I really thought about that. And I want to do some more analysis before I can say that is absolutely the case. But the bottom line is, yeah, if you can rap and you're white, like Eminem, you're going to get searched by a lot more people because of population makeup and everything else. Is that right? No, it isn't. But on the other hand, I'm not convinced that this is the absolute case either, so stay tuned.